In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background in Zoom on Windows, both before and during a meeting. Blurring your background can be a great way to maintain privacy, minimize distractions, or simply create a more professional appearance during your virtual meetings. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you're ready to make use of this feature smoothly. First, let's discuss how to blur your background before you even join a meeting. Start by opening up the Zoom desktop app on your Windows computer and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner, where you'll find a little gear icon next to your profile picture. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the settings menu, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Focus your attention on the section labeled Backgrounds and Effects, and click on it. You'll find yourself looking at the Virtual Backgrounds tab. This is where you get to choose how others will see you during a call. Among the various background options, there is one simply labeled Blur. When you click on Blur, this will make your background appear softly out of focus, putting you in clear view while the rest fades into a non-distracting blur. That's all it takes. Once you close the settings, this effect will be automatically applied during your next meeting. Now, let's talk about how to activate the blurred background during a meeting. Suppose you're already in the middle of a call and decide you need a little more privacy or just want to reduce distractions. It's easily done. Locate the Stop Video or Start Video button on the Zoom interface. Right next to it, you'll see a small arrow pointing upwards. This is a menu indicator, and clicking on it will reveal more options. In this new menu, simply select Blur My Background. Voila! Your background is now softly blurred for everyone in the meeting. And if you ever want to switch back to a non-blurred background, you can do that too. Just repeat the process and either uncheck the Blur My Background option or select None from the menu. This gives you the flexibility to control your appearance and environment with just a few quick clicks. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your background aesthetics and make your Zoom meetings more professional or private as you see fit. Whether preparing ahead of your call or reacting in real time during one, these settings are at your fingertips whenever you need them. I hope this guide helps you navigate Zoom's background options with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.